You don't owe your heart to anyone. You don't have to run toward what doesn't feel right. You're not late, you're not behind. You're moving at the pace that belongs to you. People say love is everything, but quiet and space can keep you whole. You're not strange for choosing peace. You're building a life that fits your soul. It's okay to not be with anyone for any reason or for none. You don't need a story, you don't need a plan. You're complete exactly as you stand. It's okay to not be with anyone. Your light doesn't dim when you're alone. Loving yourself is more than enough. Your heart is yours, it's yours to own. Maybe you're healing, maybe you're free. Maybe you just like your own company. No pressure, no timeline, no race. You're allowed to take your place. Some find love in a moment. Some take years, some never go. Every path is equally true. Every choice is yours to know. It's okay to not be with anyone.